In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to actually design emails for Klaviyo email marketing. We'll move from finding the right starting point to customizing your design and sending a clean preview so you can feel confident hitting send. Begin by heading to the Klaviyo dashboard. From here, open the content section, then choose templates. This brings you to the email library, where you'll see a wide range of starting points. If you already have a creative direction in mind, use the search bar to quickly locate relevant templates. You can also refine results with filters for type, layout, and season, which is helpful when you need a specific structure or timely theme. If you're working with your own custom code, use the import option. You'll see two choices: upload HTML file, which is perfect when you have a finished file on your computer, or paste HTML, ideal for code you've copied from a design tool or developer. Either route pulls your custom design into Klaviyo's editor. If you prefer to start from a Klaviyo template, select a design you like from the library and open it. Then click Use Template to load it into the editor. Inside the editor, you can add and arrange text and images. Keep your copy concise, use clear hierarchy with headings and body text, and make sure images are optimized for fast load times. Alt text is useful for accessibility in inboxes that block images by default. To speed up layout, open the pre-built panel. Drop in a basic header to establish brand identity at the top of the email. If you want universally applicable blocks that work across campaigns, look under the Universal section and insert the pieces that fit your message, like feature rows, product grids, or footers with required links. Next, open styles to set your global look and feel. Adjust the template background so your brand colors and text have good contrast and legibility. If it suits your design, add a background image, but keep it subtle and ensure text remains easy to read on all devices. When your design looks solid, use Preview and Test. This is where you can send a preview using a profile, which is great for verifying personalization, dynamic content, and conditional blocks. Finally, add an email or send a test to your inbox to check spacing, links, and mobile responsiveness in a real environment. A last pass for broken links, image alt text, and clear calls to action goes a long way toward higher engagement. That's it. You've selected a starting point, customized the layout and styles, and tested your email so it's ready to perform in Klaviyo.